Thank you for tuning in to watch this series on how to perform supervised classification using ERDAS IMAGINE software. In this series, we will show you how to set up and perform your own supervised classification project, and in each phase, we will demonstrate the various tools available to you in ERDAS IMAGINE. In remote sensing terms, classification is a process of sorting pixels into a finite number of groupings or categories known as classes based on their values. In ERDAS IMAGINE, this grouping of pixels in a multispectral image may be done through unsupervised methods such as ISO data and k-means, or through supervised methods such as maximum likelihood minimum distance, Mahalanobis distance, spectral angle mapper, and spectral correlation mapper. In supervised classification, the analyst controls the classification process by creating, managing, evaluating, and editing signatures. This is done by simply selecting pixels that represent specific classes or land cover types from the imagery itself, or with the help of other sources such as aerial photos, ground truthing data, or maps. By identifying these sample pixels, the analyst can instruct the computer system to identify pixels with similar characteristics. The result will be a thematic raster image containing categories that can be identified as water bodies, vegetation, bare soil, and other classes from a continuous raster image. Note that in supervised classification, the analyst needs to have knowledge of the data and of the classes desired before performing the classification process. This is known as priori information. This series on how to perform supervised classification using ERDAS IMAGINE has 5 videos structured as follows. Video 1 is collecting signatures. Video 2, evaluating the collected signatures. Video 3, processing the supervised classification. Video 4, evaluating the classification part 1 using set threshold method. Video 5, evaluating the classification part 2 using accuracy assessment method. Watch the full series to get more insight on how to perform supervised classification in ERDAS IMAGINE. This series uses the Hexagon Geospatial Field Guide for guidance and explanation of the various techniques and associated terminology. The link to this field guide is given in the description of this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time we upload a new video to our channel or to this series.